to a brand new video. Now in this video it's going to be quick and short and fun. I'm just going to tell you guys what I plan on filming, doing, everything you want to know about my YouTube channel in 2022. So let's get into it. So I want to start this video off by saying the first thing is I'm going to be going back to 2 videos a week. That is Wednesday and Sunday. Uploads at 5 p.m. But as you most of you may know, I need to do 3 videos a week, and that's Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Personally, I've chose Wednesday and Sunday again because I find, first of all, Friday and Sunday were way close together, and at the end of the day it was kind of too much for me, and I'm hoping next year I will get a job, and the sounds of it, for my personal life, I'm going to be really busy next year, hopefully. It's not that I don't want to upload videos anymore, but I just find 2 videos a week is really suitable for my personal life, and I want to be so creative with you guys, so it lets me be creative as well as uploading videos. And most popular YouTubers are uploading twice a week anyway. So that's the first plan of 2022, is going back to them 2 uploads a week. I will also say, as every other YouTuber does, I might take about 1 or 2 weeks off of YouTube, but I'm definitely going to be back in January. Just I don't know when yet. Depends how motivated I am. And because I'm doing Vlogmas, most people with Vlogmas take a couple of weeks off because it can be so stressful sometimes. Uploading, creating, vlogging, putting up daily videos every single day or daily vlogs, it can be stressful. And halfway through, a couple of days ago, I will admit I was starting to think, I really, I don't know if I can do this, but we're nearly finished, so I'm pushing through, and I know I can do it. And I think it was mostly I didn't have video ideas and I didn't know what to do. I ran out of video ideas, but now I've got video ideas. But I am going back to 2 uploads a week. Within them 2 uploads a week, I'm going to be vlogging more often. So the types of vlogs I want to do is day in my life, a day in my life with cerebral palsy, day in my life with, I don't know, I can mostly do cerebral palsy because my other disability, you can't really notice them. But day in my life with all my disability, or how my day goes with cerebral palsy, cutting, making my lunch and everything like that. And on top of that, I want to do more videos about spreading awareness to hidden and physical disabilities. So I'm thinking of one idea. I don't know if I might not put it in Vlogmas because I want to keep some ideas for January. But one of my ideas is doing the items that I need to go on in my day-to-day life with cerebral palsy. So for example, I've got a fork that I've got specifically for me eating food, so I can cut my food properly and I can be independent. So I want to show you guys the stuff that I use on a daily basis, or stuff that I've been given that I've still got but I'm not using right now, but I will use in the future. So I want to talk about stuff like that. That will be a video coming up next year. And I just want to spread more awareness to hidden and physical disability. I also know all you guys love learning and watching me or seeing me tell you how I live my day-to-day life with the disabilities I've got. And also I've got that series on how to be confident with So this series is for right now. I don't know if any of the other videos will be live when I'm filming this, but the videos at the end of December that will be active will be how to be confident with cerebral palsy, how to be confident with a learning disability, I think. No, wait. How to be confident with a skin condition, and I'm going to do how to be confident with scars, and how to be confident with a learning disability, and loads more. So that series will continue in 2022, and they are all the updates pretty much of what's going to be happening in 2022. I will be uploading other types of videos like I have been in Vlogmas, but I want to spread more awareness to hidden and physical disability. But I will be showing you everything I've got. If I ever go to the shops, I'll be vlogging that, or like videos like that. I still love creating them videos, but they'll be mostly vlogs or disability videos. But I can make them creative and fun. In the past, I've done like doing my makeup with my left side hemiplegia hand. So I've got left side hemiplegia. That's the type of cerebral palsy I've got. And I can do videos on that. I can do like challenges with my disability. Let me know in the comments. I can make videos creative and like funny and good to watch, entertaining, but also spreading awareness to hidden and physical disability. So I hope you enjoyed knowing what I'm going to be doing and planning to do in 2022. There's only a week or a couple of days left when this video goes up. You're going to see more videos from me, but I'll also see you in January. Hope you all have an amazing Christmas when it comes, and a Happy New Year. Bye! Give it a thumbs up.